Good evening, folks. Hope you're all keeping fine. I'm going to hear bash at Jimmy Raeburn's Farewell. My name is Jimmy Raeburn, frae Glasgow I came. My place and habitations I'm forced to leave with shame. Frae my place and habitations I newman gan awa, far frae the bonny hills and dales o' Caledonia. It was early in the morning, just by the break o' day, I overheard the turnkey, who unto us did say, Arise ye hapless convicts, arise ye in and all, this is the day ye are to stray frae Caledonia. We all arose, put on our clothes, our hearts was filled with grief. Our friends were gathered round the coach, could grant us nae relief. Our parents, wives and sweethearts, their hearts was broken twa, to see us leave the hills and dales o' Caledonia. Farewell, my aged mother, I'm vexed for what I've done. I hope there's nane cass up to ye the race that I have run. I hope you'll be provided for when I am far awa', far frae the bonny hills and dales o' Caledonia. Farewell, my honoured father, ye are the best of men, and farewell to my sweetheart, as Kathleen is her name. Nae mair we'll walk by Clyde's clear stream, nor by the broomy law, for I maun leave the hills and dales o' Caledonia. Thanks, folks. Cheers, Charlie.